points. And here's Team Corimao, number 6 to number 15, Reyes. Distant lays. Pa! To the middle, number 1, the pass to number 2, the fakes, the clutch far of the window. Bucket for 2, Marcos.
Ramos and
Nabitin, no? Oh! And touches on. Recovers, attacks. Floater shot of the glass and knocks it down. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Intertown ng Ilocos Norte Da Vinci Cup 2024 para sa laban ng Corimao at Marcos. Shoutout kay Captain Nides Headwear para sa mga gustong mag-order. Sulit at legit. Captain Nides Headwear, nasa comment section lang yung link mga idol. And here's the jump ball, and first ball possession goes to Team Corimao, and a pass break here. Fires first blood for number 15, Reyes. And tie game action here to the middle, number 1, the pass to number 2, the fake window, bucket for 2, pass to number 11, pass back number 20 to number 2. And here's number 20, drives at the middle, the lace left-handed, won't go. And the rebound for Team Corimao, number 6. And number 13, corner. The drives, lays. Oh, sinausa, won't go. And the rebound for Team Marcos. Ramos, and a pinabitin, no? Whoa! And touches on. And we tie at 4. And a backdoor inbound for Team Corimao, looking for the receiver. The bounce pass, number 11. Reverse layup, and a basket. And sumisinyas dito. And a pass back, number 20 to number 2, corner 3, bang! And here's Team Corimao, number 6 to number 15, Reyes, side distance lays. Here's Team and for the corner, number 20, number 11 fires at 3, bang! Nothing but the Corimao, number 6, between the legs dribble. Pass to number 15 to the corner. Fires at 3. Bang! The answer! And number 6 here for Team Corimao. Pass to the corner. Fires at 3 again. Won't go. Rebound number 11. Spins move. Fires. Basket and 1. The strong move. Para won't miss there on the free throw. That's 2 points at the free throw area. And here we go. Team Marcos. And a face up. Natapikan. And is stolen. And a pass break. 2-on-1 ang laban. My foul. Tinapboard and 1. And the long pass to the corner. Reyes, spin move, picks. Ang gandang pasa. Da-deliver, tinapboard and the... Number 6 setting the play. Pass to Reyes. Reyes hold the ball to number 6. Pass on the inside. Ang gandang pasa ulit. The connection. For the inbound, there's a client. Oops, natapikan. Recovers, attacks. Floater shot of the glass and knocks it down. Number 6 to Reyes to the corner. Fires at 3. Bang! Bullseye! Here for Team Marcos, number 6. Drives at the middle, inipitan. Platter, wala pa rin fakes. And pass to the middle, natapikan. Here's Reyes! Binit-bit! Oh! Almost dunk! Number 23 for Team Marcos. Number 6. Corner pass. Pass to number 23 and to the middle. Di diskarte, number 5. Biglang tumira sa 3. Bang! Number 6 to Reyes to number 6. Corner pass. Drives number 24. Euro step. Wala. Rebound number 11. Racacho. Wala pa rin. And still recovers. Racacho. Space of the window. Racacho. And here's ball possession. Pull up J at free throw area. Manny. At nagmamadali dito. 10 seconds on the game clock. Floater shot. Too strong. And rebound here for Team Corimao. 2, 1. Umabot! That crosses the mid lane for Team Corimao. Corner pass. Launches on 3. Too strong. And the rebound here for Team Marcos. Number 6. Straight to the hole. Supalpal. And number 6, Paguyo. Stop. Fires. Off the mark. Rebound number 24 for Team Corimao. Number 8. Pass to Reyes. To the middle. Number 8. Corner pass. Fakes. Stops. Pull up J3. Bullseye! Here you go. Rakacho to Reyes. Also make way. Sumide step plays. And here you go. Number 23 to the corner. Holds the ball. Pass back. Number 23 holds the ball. And looking for the receiver. The pass on the inside. The alley-oop pass and this is the mid lane. And pass to number 22. Gonzalez. Pass to the middle. Pass back. Gonzalez fakes. Drives. Stop. Pass to the middle. Spins. Natapikan. And recovers. Corner pass. Pinabitin off the window. Back and forth to Nags. And here's Team Marcos. And number 23 to Ramos. Launches on 3 off the target. And the rebound number 31 to the middle. And almost stolen. Number 23 recovers. Kakaldag dito. Posting up to the pull-up of the middle. At the... And pass break here. Side step. Oh! Too strong. Oh! My foul. Oh, push. Door inbound. Kicks out. Reyes. Drive. Side step lays off the glass. Easy bucket. Lane. Between the legs. Dribble. And corner pass. Launch on 3. Bang! 3 points! And Paguyo. Pass to number 14. Corner pass. Step back for 3. Ramos. Bang! Ramos. And pass to Reyes. Holds the ball. Pass back number 6. To number 13 for 3. Bang! Again. 3. Paguyo. Di Discarte. Stops. Looking for the receiver. He spins. To Albano. To Paguyo. Behind the back pass. And a pass break for Reyes. Hinabol. Na-recover. Stop. Fires at 3. No good. And the rebound number 6. Side step. Reverse layup. Foul in the basket. And here's number 8. Reyes. Corner pass for 3. Bang! 3 points. Saklayan. Stops. Looking for receiver. Bounce pass to the middle. Fakes clutch. To the corner. Pass inside. Ooh, the connection. 8. And a pass break here. No look pass in the inside. Pinabitin pa. That's Rakacho on the move. And number 8 Reyes. Pass to the middle. Fires at 3. No good. And here you go. Dribbling the ball. Number 8. To the middle of the corner. Corner pass. And Reyes holds the ball. Reyes kicks out. And pass back Reyes. Sumasinta. Umatake. Ang gandang jelly yun. And to the corner. Wide open for 3 pick. 1 bounce and 3. Off the mark. And the rebound still. Reyes pass on the inside. Fires off the glass. Basket and 1. Number 20 sharing the play. Saklayan stops. Dribbling the ball. Saklayan drives. Nakalusot lays. Bucket for 2. Saklayan. Yes. Reyes drives. Natapikan. And stolen by Reyes. Reyes inagawan si Reyes. Palpal by Reyes. Tatlong Reyes yung kumana. Inbound here. And a pass to number 30 Ramos. To number 20 Saklayan. Fires at 3. Bang! 3. And it's Reyes. To Reyes. Pass on the inside. Number 17. Supalpal kay Ramos. And for the Iqbal back down. The bounce pass. And what a execute. Sa kumanan ng Kurimao. And number 20. And a drives. And kicks out. Fakes. Attacks. Sidestep. One handle fires. Pasok yan. And here's number, sidestep, lays, nakalusot, lusot to Reyes. Reyes pass to the middle, kicks out to Reyes. Reyes babalik, in the crossover, naagawan ngayon, Reyes na una na, lays by Reyes, bucket for 2. Bring the ball, Reyes stops, and pass to the corner, and spins. Kicks out, Reyes to Reyes. Drives by Reyes, lays by Reyes. Tinabord! Face to face. 6, Babara. Reyes. Pass on din sa pinasa ng kalaban. At nagmamadali dito. Number 11, pass inside. Fires, muntik na pero pumasok. And that's Reyes now. And pass to, who's this? Number 13 to Reyes, number 6, Babara. And a bounce pass. Oops, sumiga silang dalawa. Gabing poste yun. And back to 20-point lead. And fires at 3. Won't go. And the rebound by Reyes. And a pass to number 3. Setting the play. To the middle. Reyes. Pass to Racacho. Oh, dito pala. Racacho fakes clutch fire of the window, in and out. Again, Racacho. Clutch fire. Too strong. Kitoriano. The left-handed lace. Pass okay. Number 6. Fires at 3. Of the target. Oop. Stop. Spins. To the middle. Almost recovered. Reyes. Kitoriano for 3. Too strong. Rebound. Racacho for 2. Rebound. The long pass. Oh, libreng-libre. Kisinaw-saw tuloy. That's the end. And natapikan. Na-recover. And to the middle. Number 6. Flow off the glass. That good floater. The middle of the court. Number 23 to Reyes. Reyes to Zer. Kicks out. And here's Reyes. Bounce pass. Fires off the window. Basket and 1. And ball is stolen. Nauna lays. And a bucket for 2. And the long pass. Here's Reyes. Kumaldag. Floater. Easy bucket. And here's number 6 spins. Natapi ka. Huli ka. Huli ka. Nadali Hawi. Peace daw, peace. And here's number 29. Bounce pass. Oops. Natapikan. And a pass break here. Number 22. Throw on 1. Fires. Wala. Follow up shot. And number 23 for setting the play. Number 6. Corner pass. And a drive straight to the hoops of the glass. Back. Number 2. And a drive. Reyes, tinapik mula sa gilid. And a fire. Pasok. Yeah, number 29. And rebound number 23. And pinabitin pinasa. Fire of the glass. Best serve. Basket. Bounce pass. Sidestep. Fires. No good. Put back shot. Number 2. And here's corner. 2 for 3. Oops. Oops, the bounce pass. And here, nauna, easy bucket. Behind the back pass, hinatid. Easy bucket. Reyes. Kitoriano. Shot clock down to 5. Reyes. For 3. Bang! Ating bat the net. Oh! Wala pa rin!